Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to check your Linux version. So in order to do it, first of all we need to open our terminal. So we will go right here into show apps and we will press on terminal in order to open it. And I will show you 3 ways to check your Linux version. The first way is a command like this: lsb underscore release and -a. If we write it and we press enter, as you can see, we can see our Linux version, the distribution Ubuntu, the distribution Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS, and the release 24.04. So that's the first way. We have 2 more ways. The second one is a file. We can list the file with cat, and the file is in etc, and the file name is os-release. And if we press enter, again we have even more information, because we have pretty name, version code name. We even have a home URL, support URL, backup URL, and privacy policy URL. As you can see, it's the same. It's 24.04 and it's 24.04.3 LTS. As you can see, it's the same. And we have the third command. The first command is hostnamectl. We can again press enter, and as you can see, here we have more information, not only about our Linux version and distribution, also about, for example, a kernel, that I will talk in the next video. But we have an operating system. That's the most important for us. The operating system is, as you can see, also Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS. And that's basically all I wanted to show you in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.